Hey you guys, what's goody with it do? It's your girl Abi-Sue and I'm back with another video.
Come to my motel. Slide you the key, baby, don't tell.
You guys have been asking about an updated hair review, so here it is, sis. A lot of you guys been asking me about how my hair takes bleach and dye, and here it is, sis. Here it is. It's a little wavy up top though, right? I think it's because I was sweating. But yeah, this is how the hair looks. It's been about a month and a half and the hair still has been holding up well. You know, for the price that I did get it for, if you guys are interested in buying it, I will put the link down below. And yeah, so let's just talk about the hair. I've bought cheap human hair before and I feel as though they did not bleach and take dye as well as this did, so that is a pro from this hair. I'm gonna put a picture of the dye that I used. I used two different dyes. I used the brand Adore, and usually that dye just runs off, but this hair picked it up pretty well. And yeah, I still have major problem with shedding. Look at this. I literally just brushed my hair and that's the problem that this hair gives off. It's a lot of shedding and it's super dry. It gets super dry. I use different oils to try to maintain its moisture, but it just gets super dry. And as you can see, I straightened it for you guys because I know a lot of you guys probably would want to know if the hair straightened well, and it does. This wasn't really a deep curl type of hair, so I wouldn't see why it would take it would have a problem to straighten, but it did straighten well. It didn't take me no time to do it. It is kind of wavy up here a little bit, but I was just outside and I was walking and sweating, so that's probably why. And I had a scarf on, so yeah, that's one thing. Would I still recommend this hair? I would. I probably wouldn't leave it at an 8. I think I rated it an 8 last time, but now I'll give it like a 6.5, only because I don't know, I can't take the shedding and the dryness. Now that I've straightened it, this is like the 3rd time I've straightened it, and I just want to say that it does look thinner when it's straightened, and it feels thinner too. Like, this is the whole thing. It feels thinner now that it's straightened. If you guys watched my first initial review on the hair, it looked much fuller and thicker, but then again, that's because it was curly, and now that it's straightened, it does feel thinner. Like when you run your fingers through it, it does feel thinner, and that probably has something to do with all the shedding that the hair does. So I guess that's all for this hair review. I mean, I feel like the hair overall, it's good hair. It's probably not gonna last you like a long time, but it definitely lasted longer than I thought it would have, so that's a pro of the hair. The only con of the hair that I could think of is the shedding and the dryness, but it lasted longer than I thought it would have. It bleached pretty well compared to other cheap human hair that I've used in the past, and it took color like pretty well. So yeah, the hair was holding up. It's been like a month and a half since I had it. It took bleach well, it took dye well. I know that's what a lot of you guys been asking me about, how it bleached and how it dyed. So for everyone that's been asking for this updated hair review, I really hope this helped. If I didn't touch anything, you guys can comment and ask questions. But yeah, I hope this helped, and I definitely will put the link down below if you guys want to go get it. So yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video. Oh yeah, I want to say that my last video is really doing numbers, and I seen that my subbies are going up, so thanks for that, and stay tuned for more videos coming soon. Thanks again for watching.
Baby, won't you come to my motel? If your man mad, baby, oh